Hey everyone, John Maddox, 46 Home Services. It is a beautiful day out today and we're going to be running the man lift one more time. So today, this customer has some bird issues in the peaks of their house with these little accent pieces that were put in, and the birds can nest up there. He put spikes on some of the lower ones and that have fixed it, but these upper ones he can't really reach. Or they didn't really tuck them in that well. So we're going to be going up there with the man lift. We got some mesh metal that we're going to be painting and custom molding and shooting screws in to prevent birds from getting up there and nesting. So let's get at it. So they're over there making a bunch of racket, but I just recorded some B-roll. We kind of made a makeshift break with a hammer, and what we're doing is using a metal straight edge against kind of a sawhorse plywood setup, and then just taking a hammer and folding an edge of this mesh over, and then that gives me a bend for me to shoot a screw into to kind of hold it up there at that angle to prevent the birds from getting up inside.